Hello, I'm in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how to open your trunk. So a couple methods. You can take the key. There's usually a button on here you can push and hold. If you could hear it, it popped. That was it releasing and opening. Otherwise, if you go to these controls, there should be these levers, and then right above it, this is just another button for the trunk you can push. It's already opened on this since I did it on the key, but that would release it as well. So we'll go back and check. And sure enough, you see it opened up. Might not have come this high up. If not, you can just push on this and pull, and it'll go up. But that's it. And if you're having some issues, maybe you got some gunk caught up in here you need to clean out, or some issue on here, that's some debris that fell in some way holding it up, or some kind of loose connection or sensor along the way that wasn't registering the button or the key. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and I hope you have a great day.